Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first official video in the flat. I hope you guys enjoy. This isn't going to be my final background or anything. I am hoping to have like multiple areas I can film in just to keep my backgrounds quite interesting. But as of right now, the bedroom isn't complete, so I can't really film in there because it will just bother me that like it's not done. So we're sort of dealing with this at the moment. I hope you guys enjoy my drawers, my plant, my books and my basket. But that is not why you're all here. Today, you are here to see the Lush kitchen subscription box for July. Let me tell you, I have never been so excited for this kitchen box in my entire life because when I got it, it looked like this. I am so excited. I haven't seen any spoilers either, which is really good for me considering this arrived 2 days ago, so I've been avoiding Instagram like the plague at the moment. But yeah, I'm so excited. So basically, if you guys don't know what a kitchen box is, if you're watching me for the first time, it's a subscription box. It's about £38 to £40 a month, which is relatively expensive. I do understand that. However, you get maybe from 5 to 7 products inside. It's all completely random and it's not products that you get in store either. So it is really exciting. It is something different. Also, before I begin with this video, I do just want to say if you're watching this and you aren't already subscribed, please do, as 45% of you guys watching this video aren't yet subscribed, and I would really appreciate it. And I am just really excited to share this with you. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I can't cope. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of the sheet because we don't need that. But look how cute this is. Oh, Thor's coming. Thor, do you want to come and smell? Oh, this isn't the time. Where are you going? Okay. Anyway, please don't squeak the ball. Thanks, darling. Oh. Hello? We can't play catch. I need to film a video. We can play after. Okay? I'm not playing yet. Can I film a video first? Good boy. You take that away. So I'm just going to apologise now if you can see Thor's head throughout the entirety of the video, or you can hear him moving and walking. He's just going to give me his ball. Thor, this isn't the time, sweetheart. Can you just take that over there? Right, so the first thing we have in the box is this. This is what it looks like. It says come on in, the water's fine. And on the back it has got a QR code if you guys want to see it. Then there you go. You're welcome. Now diving into the actual products, I am so excited. So let's have a look and see what we have. Thor, do you want to see what we've got in the box? So first up we have a bath bomb. Oh, Thor's really excited. Oh, you just licked it. Okay, good job. So this is the most chaotic unboxing I think I've ever done. So the first item we have in the box is a bath bomb. It looks Thor, God's sake, don't nudge the camera. Can we, right, what are you doing? Thank you. Yeah, oh, you've got an itch, right, okay. Do you mind if I just film for a sec? Stop dribbling in the box. This is 5 minutes and I haven't even opened the box yet properly. So this is the first item in the box. This is the Mermaid Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise in this one we have got carrageenan extract, lemon myrtle oil, ylang ylang oil, grapefruit oil, coarse sea salt and gardenia extract. And scent wise we have had this smell before. What is that smell? It's really avo bathy, so it could very well be avo bath scented. It's really good though. It's this beautiful kind of teal colour with pink and blue running through it. That is so nice. And Thor is now going to chew on his duck. This is like the worst. He's been asleep all morning, could you believe it? Next up in the box is something I am really excited about because I used to love this product when I worked for Lush and then they got rid of it. And this is the Trichomania shampoo. So this is a coconut shampoo. It is really beautiful and moisturising. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got creamed coconut, vetiver oil, and basically just coconut and oil. And it's amazing. It's this beautiful kind of cream colour and half of it's pink. It never used to be this way. It used to be all this colour, but this smells absolutely incredible. And to me, it just smells like holidays, like a really lovely coconutty sun cream smell. It smells really, really good. So that is the second item, and I really enjoy when we receive shampoo bar style products in these boxes, because if you don't know, shampoo bars are my gold dust. I absolutely love them so much, so I'm really looking forward to having this. I haven't used it in a really long time, so I'm very excited about that. Next up in the box we have oh, so cute. Okay, mine's a little bit broken, but that is absolutely fine because we're just gonna hold it so you wouldn't even notice. Give me one sec. Oh my gosh, it's breaking all over the place. Okay, I'm just gonna tip the crumbs in the box. Okay, so this is Gary the Snail. So cute. Okay, so this is Gary the Snail Bath Bomb. As you guys can see, it looks like Gary the Snail. Ingredients wise, in this one, we have got clary sage oil, lavender oil, benzoin resinoid, cream of tartar, and I think that's about it. Let's give it a smell. That smells incredible. What is that smell? It's vanilla-y. It's definitely got the lavender in there, but it smells really sweet. If you could mix Melting Marshmallow Moment with like a little bit of Twilight, that smells incredible. I love the look of this as well. Obviously with the SpongeBob range that just got released, if you guys didn't see my video, I filmed a whole video on the range. They released about 5 or 6 items, which are none of these products, so I don't know whether they made these and maybe these didn't make the cut and that is why they've put them in this box, or whether they've made this box specifically for extra products, but I love that they've kind of connected them and released it at the same time. I think that's so fun and just really different and a little bit more special. So that is the third item. Next up we have, oh, so cute. Okay, so this is a little bubble bar on a stick. How adorable is that? That is the Bikini Bottom reusable bubble bar. I love a reusable bubble bar. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got Divana oil, Tonka Absolute, Fur Balsam Resinoid, titanium dioxide, cream of tartar. I am so excited to smell it. What is that smell? That smells incredible. What is that fruit that it smells like? Peach? Is it peachy? It smells like peach to me. That smells so good. And it's like a little life, what are they called? What are these called? Like a ring, rubber dinghy? No. A life, what are these called? I can't even remember. Smells incredible. Oh, I love that so much. That is so cute. The next item we have, oh my, that is so cute. Exactly, Thor, that is right. Look how cute this is, Thor. So the next item in the box is this. This is the Patrick Star Soap. How cute is that, for goodness sake? This one has rapeseed oil, coconut oil, glycerin, extra virgin coconut oil, Fur Balsam Resinoid, Vanilla Absolute. Wow, what is that smell? That's insane. I think some of the other products have rubbed off on this, not gonna lie. This smells insane. It's like creamy, fruity. Wow, that's so good. And he's so cute. Look at him. I cannot cope with it. I absolutely love it. That's so fun. Oh, it smells amazing. It's kind of almost like an American, like, you know those gumballs you get in like the shopping centres and the machines? This is kind of what it smells like. It smells really good. Wow, okay, that's incredible. And last but definitely not least, we have one more item in here. Wow. What is that? Okay, the seaweed is giving me the ick, not gonna lie. So the next item we have is the Bubbling Under Bubble Bar, and it looks like this. So it looks kind of like a bubble bar version of Big Blue. I'll be interested to see if it smells the same. But ingredients wise in this one, we have got coarse sea salt, lavender oil, lime oil, seaweed absolute. Let's give it a smell. It does smell like Big Blue. It smells really good. This with Big Blue Bubble Bar, Bath Bomb would be like a dream duo, or even with Avobath. Wait, does it smell like Avobath? No, it's Big Blue. But yeah, this with like Avobath or Big Blue would be so good. But I love the look of it. I always get a little bit funny with like seaweed in my bath though, because I just feel like I don't like it to touch me. Do you know what I mean? But what I might do is actually put this in like a little bag, you know, the ones with the little holes in, and run it under the water. Or use a sieve. Yum, that is so good. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this box. This is by far my favourite box of the year. I am so Thor is very excited about the box as well. He's got his duck now. He's just gonna go to town on that just as I'm finishing. Excuse me. But yes, this is definitely my favourite box of the year. I am so impressed with it, and I love the theme that they've gone with. Sir, excuse me. Oh, okay, he's going to bring the duck over now. Oh, he's getting really mad. Oh, okay. Thank you. Should we end the video? Okay. As I was saying, this box is by far my favourite of the year. I am so excited about it, and I cannot wait to use all these products. If you guys did get this box, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, or if you missed out on the box, let me know what your favourite item would have been. I would love to know. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I would really appreciate it, and I would love you guys so much to join my little family here on YouTube. But that's everything. I'm going to go. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.